Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pinkanti Tiara Auliani, number student IG202202171. I'm from class F. Okay, this presentation explains the content of the profile file, which is a summary of 10 studies on need analysis in English for specific purpose or ESP. The file is structured as a table with columns including study detail, methods, aim, result, and question use structure. We will go through each study one by one, summarizing key elements such as author, title, research type, participant, data collection, and analysis stage, aim or problem statement, research question, result, and sample question. Our study focused on identifying language need for specific professional or academic context using qualitative, quantitative, or mixed method. The first is the Lamia LMH 2022 Need Analysis and ESP course design, a case study of the Institute of Nutrition, Food and Agro-Food Technologies, INATA Korea. Research type qualitative. Respond and participant to the doctoral student who previously studied ESP in Master 1 and 10 subject teacher and INITAAL Korea. Techniques of collecting data. 2 questionnaires, 1 for doctoral student and 1 for subject teacher. Technique of analyzing data. Descriptive, qualitative, analyzing, interpretation of questionnaire results through frequency. The aims to analysis needs of Master 1 student for ESP from perspective of doctoral student and subject teacher. Ameliorate current ESP course, increase motivation, and ensure success in ESP instruction. The problem Algeria researchers page period in English proficiency for scientific research ESP courses are limited in time and scope, leading to negative attitude and unmet need, lack of collaborative between ESP and subject teacher. Research question 1. What are the doctoral student attitude toward the previous ESP course? 2. What are the problems encountered when dealing with English? 3. How can the course be ameliorated to satisfy Master 1 student need from perspective of doctoral student and subject teacher? The results students show positive attitude toward ESP course but lack proficiency in productive skill, speaking and writing. Major problem vocabulary, comprehension, pronunciation, and limited course time. The teacher and student agreed ESP course should improve speaking, writing, and technical vocabulary. Recommendation extend to course time include authentic scientific material. The questionnaire for doctoral student and teacher. And the Medanit Breakthrough 2020 need the title Need Analysis of ESP in Textile Engineering Profession in Ethiopia Context. Research type makes qualitative and quantitative with questionnaire providing quantitative description for questionnaire response. The response 156 work from 6 textile companies, human resource manager, general manager, supervisor, and other staff. Technique of collecting data questionnaires 200 distribute and 156 return composite of open-ended question. The technique of analyzing data, quantitative categories, tabulate and analysis using percentage, qualitative thematic interpretation and discussion of interview response. The aim to investigate English language need of textile industries to prepare textile engineering students have designed ESP course based on need problem with English proficiency in Ethiopia. Employee complain about graduates communication skill teaching focus on general English not ESP alleged with workplace need. The result, English is highly important in textile industry for communication, report, and networking. Speaking, writing, and reading are the most required skill. Listening also useful. Work face difficulty in writing report, reading manual, and communicating professionally ESP course. Focusing on workplace needs are recommended. And the church, Alfian Azhar Yamin 2021 Need Analysis on English Language Used by Hotel Staffs in Bandung. The research type is quantitative. Respondent participant 27 hotel staff in Bandung, like a manager, front desk officer, sales representative, and receptionist. The technique of collecting data questionnaire distributed via Google Form, email, and WhatsApp. Techniques of analyzing data, descriptive statistics, percentage-based analysis, aim to discover need of English language skill for hotel staff, analyzing the difficulties encountered and specific needs to develop ESP syllabus for hotel students. The problem need to identify target need for ESP in hotel industry. Current curriculum may not meet the particular need. Research question not explicitly stage, but focus on English language needs, skill, function, and problem in hotel context. The result in English is considered very important by 18% of participants. Speaking is the most needed skill, followed by listening, writing, and reading. Most important function giving information about hotel facilities or service and handling complaint. The main problem, nervously when speaking, lack of vocabulary and difficulty understanding foreign accent, such as improving conversation practice, handling complaint, and vocabulary in ESP curriculum. And the for Yuyutri Kuntaro, ESP, the title ESP course design for Indonesian hotel industry need analysis. The research type qualitative, the respondent or participant 3 front desk staff and 1 hotel manager from Kapal Garden Hotel Malang, Indonesia. Technique of collecting data, structure interview, and participant observation for hours at front desk. Technique of analyzing data, thematic analyzing data, the aim to identify English language needs, such as lack when necessities or front desk staff in hotel industry. Propose expects ESP course design. The problem hotel is employee English proficiency is inadequate for dealing with foreign guys. ESP is need to improve skill, but current training lack, need analysis, research, current need analysis research question not explicitly staged but focus on identifying lack. The result, speaking and listening are the most essential skill for front desk job. Employees lack difficulty responding in conversation and understanding accent. And the Fajar Yantika, Robi Yuli Endra, Dris Afruli, Ayu Kartika Puspa 2020. The title need analysis of English for specific purpose at Food and Beverage Immersia Hotel, Bandar Lampung. The research type is qualitative. The response participant 5 senior staff, 3 males and 2 females from Food and Beverage Department of Emersia Hotel and Resort Bandar Lampung. Technique of collecting data, semi-structured interview, 11 open-edge question, technique of analyzing data transcription, group by research question, and the last analyzing by language skill. The aims to refer language need to for hotel staff in developing English skill based on the need analysis. The problem, hotel staff need specific English skill for communication with virgin case, but lack of proficiency affects service quality. ESP is need to address this. Research question, not explicit stage, but focus on identifying language needs, skill, function, problem, and suggestion for training. The results, speaking and listening are the most essential skill for VNB. Staff function include greeting, taking order, offering, confirm bill, apologizing, and handling complaint. And the sixth study, Al-Gideon Hidayat 2024. The title ESP, Need Analysis for Marketing Student in an Indonesian Vocational School Insight from Strategy Analysis. The research type is mixed description, descriptive, qualitative, and quantitative. The response participant 5T grade marketing student at SMKN 1 Pon, South Sulawesi, Indonesia. Technique of collecting data online questionnaire, like a Google form containing 3 stages: learning proficiency, motivation, and language skill. Technique of analyzing data, descriptive statistic, percentage, and qualitative presentation of pattern and trend. The aim to conduct the comprehensive need analysis of ESP for marketing students using strategy analysis to identify specific need and preference. The problem, ESP is essential in vocational education but need to be tailored to professional need, lack of alignment with student preference, and career-oriented learning. The result, students prefer interactive group-based and career-oriented learning, preference material product management to 52% and marketing strategy 52%, presented method group work to 18 and individual work 72, must import sub-skill reading. And each other. And the seventh study, Yuriatson Jubhari Rasmiati Nurliah 2022. The title Need Analysis in English for Specific Purpose or ESP for nursing student. The research type is quantitative. Respondent are participant 36 nursing student, 2 semester 2, 1 class, 2 ESP English teacher for nursing program, and lecturer of nursing. The technique of collecting data questionnaire developed by Hutchinson and Waters and simplified by Dudley, Eva, and S. Chong. Technique of analyzing data, descriptive statistics, example presenting and ranking for proficiency level, importance of skill, sub-skill, and topic. The aim is to conduct need analysis for ESP in nursing students to identify required learning material, skill, and sub-skill as which academic and professional need the problem. English learning program like consist need analysis, leading to irrelevant material focus on general English rather than ESP research question, not explicit stage, but imply through data collection on student proficiency, skill, important sub-skill, and topic. And the result, student English proficiency, moderate in listening, speaking, writing, grammar, vocabulary, good in reading. And the question, the level of student skill, level of importance of need for English, level of importance of sub-skill need, and level of importance of ESP English learning topic related to nursing science and work. And the study Muhammad Ali Bari and Mahnaz Baghdadi 2014. The title A Need Analysis Approach to ESP Design in the Iranian Context. The research type is quantitative. The response and participant 49 architecture student, 2020, 28 male, 21 female, age 21 to 24, senior student, UPS General English and ESP course, and 72 architecture graduate. And 27 had experience teaching special course. The technique of collecting data questionnaires, 2 modified version of Mazda Yasna and 3 rewrites 2008. Questionnaires, 1 for students with 31 items, and for graduate with 42 items distributed in May until June 2012. And interview conduct with instructor, but detail, not specific in the text. Technique of analyzing data on SPSS statistics. The aims to investigate need and view of architecture students and graduates and evaluate effectiveness of ESP course for architecture students at Iran University, Iran. The problem ESP courses in Iran are criticized. For not being learned to lack of knowledge leading to dissatisfaction and inability to use English practically in architectural context. The result, most important skill, reading comprehension, example reading, specialist textbook, article in journal, report, text on the internet, followed by writing term, paper, article, report, speaking, and listening. Well, students focus on academic need, reading text on the internet, talking with lecturer or student. Dissatisfaction, participant dissatisfaction with textbook, participant topic, length of course, and methodology. A course did not fully meet need. And the questionnaire student version 31 item, number 1 until number 6 is listening, 7 until 12 speaking, 13 until 18 reading skill, and 19 until 21 writing skill. And the last and the 9 is Ching Ling Li 2016. The title, Principle and Practice of ESP course, design a case study of a University of Science and Technology. The research type is quantitative. The respondent participant 257, 3-year student, 62 males, 195 females from a University of Science and Technology in Taiwan, defined into English major and non-English major, English proficiency level elementary, intermediate, high, advanced, and expert future job. The technique of collecting data, questionnaire, and technique of analyzing data as PSS software for descriptive statistics, t-test, NOPA, and general linear model, concurrent alpha reliability. The aim to investigate learner perspective on perceived need for ESP course at a University of Technology, provide principle and practice for ESP course design. The problem statement discrepancy between general English training in Taiwan and ESP requirements from international business, lack of authentic material, and native speaker. And the result, the high proficiency need, 80% of students took ESP courses are useful for future job. And most need skill listening in, followed by writing, reading, speaking. And no significant difference by gender or between English major and non-English major. The significant difference by proficiency higher. Proficiency students showed more interest in English learning, greater need in speaking skill. No difference by aspect future job. The questionnaire, 35 items. 5-point Likert scale categories into interest in learning English and perceive importance of skill. And the last, Budi Eko Pranoto and Suprayogi 2022. Budi Eko Pranoto and Suprayogi 2020. The title, A Need Analysis of ESP for Physical Education Students in Indonesia. Use a mixed research type. And the respondent participant 50 students, 25 from Universitas Teknologi Teknorat Indonesia, 25 from Universitas Lampung, all physical education major who had passed English subject level 1, mostly male, 70%, age 19 to 24, English proficiency ranging from elementary to advanced, and 10 lecturers, 5 from each university, currently teaching in the physical education department. Technique of collecting data. Online questionnaire distributed via Gdoc, covering topic need, teaching method, personal information, and English proficiency, self-assessment. And the interview held with lecturer to gain need, insight on student need, and the projection for future career. The technique of analyzing data, quantitative data, simple statistical procedure, example, percentage, frequencies. Okay, enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.